It's official, Charm Squad. 5 sleeps and it will be Christmas. I can't even believe I'm saying this right now. Whew, Madam Glam's elves have sure been busy. And today I want to welcome you to day 20. Hi, my loves. Oh, this is Raven from Raven's Reviews. And I can't believe we're ready on day 20 of the Advent Calendar series. The eggnog must be hitting me because actually we only have 4 sleeps. But I am so very excited because under the Christmas tree is day 25 and all the other goodies that were inside this box. I'm really excited because I know this is going to be one of the most magical weeks. I know they left some surprises. Just like recently, I was shook about the limited edition pudding gel, y'all. So I was very excited. Now, me and my partner were blasting Todrick while I was filming, so I was doing dances as I was holding this box, but I was so excited to see. What is it? What is it? I was actually talking to my partner that morning that out of a snowy layover, I was really sad that I wasn't able to get Crackling Fire. It was like this deep burgundy, this like very fire brick red, but it was like very deep. And I just thought it was so gorgeous and that it would pair perfectly with Rudolph. But sure, Madam Glam kept a little secret and they answered my wishes with Holiday Inn. Holiday Inn is a gorgeous chimney brick color. Ooh, it is such a deep red and I am obsessed. You're gonna see later on in the video, I am gonna grab my beautiful autumn and show you the previously swatched colors along, like right beside this gorgeous chimney brick red. Oh my gosh, Madam Glam, you went all out with this one. This is perfect. And like for people who don't want like really bright nails during Christmas, this is perfect. You could just do your whole mani this set and it's just luscious. And look at the coverage. That is easily 5 bottle opacity. This is like Rudolph when, you know, they're cooling down and just relaxing after delivering all the Christmas gifts. But what's amazing is a snowy layovers Rudolph is flash reflective. And when I put those two together, it was giving me all the vibes. And I was so sad that Crackling Fire was sold out. So thank you, Madam Glam, for putting this delicious red, with notes of brown. This is just so stunning. Thank you for putting this in the calendar. So I'm going to use the No Wipe top coat from day 2. And as you see, it sealed it for the gods. This color is breathtaking. If you love this color as much as I did, please comment down below because we are in the Holiday Inn via Madam Glam. Please make sure you put your notification bells on because now that so many goodies are building up, I'm going to be doing full sets and really letting all of these gorgeous colors shine. But I'm so impressed so far with all of the mini bottles, the pudding gels, the liners, the glitter formulas, like the polishes and the products that they've been putting in here, the tools. They have just went over and above and I'm so impressed. I have fallen in love with this color. So as you see here, I'm just putting it against Rudolph. Those would make a perfect mani. They look like they were made for each other. And I thought it was so interesting that for a snowy layover, they made sure they had creams that went alongside all of the Flash Hollow colors. So getting this was a true treat as a snowy layover sold out very quick. So this made me feel like I could have some of the holiday magic. So thank you so much, Madam Glam. This is one of my favorite days. I cannot wait to see you tomorrow for day 21. And it's a huge box, y'all. So big things are in there. I can't wait to find out what's in there with you. Thank you so much for coming in. Do everything with love. I hope this video found you so safe, and I can't wait to see you in tomorrow's video. Mwah!